the idea is that we can put some lights in here. So I think probably brown, and then it's got the daytime running Xflight as well. What do you think about that?
Yeah, awesome.
What can you do there?
So that means I actually integrated the mounting tabs into the graph.
Well, so that's okay, straight on the
Using
side.
using the factory mounting points, and then you can see.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Yeah.
On the inside.
So that's that light. Is that what we're thinking?
Yeah.
Wow. So we've finally got the Grille, and we're very pleased with how it's come up. So I'll just drop the bonnet, and you can see it's got the daytime running lights and the high beam driving lights. So if I just switch that on, so the X's glow, or you can have the high beam lights. So please just watch the launch of this vehicle, because it's going to be one exciting event.